In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check backlinks in Semrush. We'll walk through the exact screens to visit, what each metric means, and a few simple tips to help you read the data with confidence. First, open Backlink Analytics. Inside Semrush, head to the SEO section and choose Backlinks. This is your starting point for discovering who links to a site and how strong that link profile is. Next, enter a website. In the search bar, type the domain you want to research, like example.com, and click Analyze. You can use your own site to audit your backlink health, or a competitor's domain to see where they're earning links. Now you're on the backlink overview. Here you'll see the total number of backlinks, the count of referring domains, and the authority score. Total backlinks shows every link Semrush has found pointing to the domain. Referring domains counts unique websites linking to it, which is often a better indicator of diversity and reach. Authority score is an overall measure of a domain's strength based on its backlinks and other signals. As a quick rule of thumb, a healthy profile usually balances a good number of backlinks with a broad set of referring domains. To dig deeper, open the Backlinks tab to check individual links. You'll see the source URL where the link lives, the target URL on the analyzed site, the anchor text, and the link type, such as follow or no follow. Follow links can pass authority, while no follow links generally don't, though both can be valuable for traffic and brand visibility. Scan anchor text for natural language and brand mentions, and be cautious of exact match keyword anchors appearing too frequently. Then, check referring domains. This view shows all the websites linking to the domain. Look for relevance to your niche, a spread of reputable sources, and consistent quality. A few strong, topical domains can be worth more than a large number of weak, unrelated ones. With the data in front of you, analyze the backlinks. Pay attention to authority score trends, how relevant the linking pages are to your content, and any spam signals. Red flags can include links from low-quality directories, auto-generated pages, unrelated foreign sites, or patterns of identical anchor text. Combine these clues to judge whether the profile looks natural and trustworthy. Finally, export your backlink data. Click Export and download your report to review or share. Having the data offline makes it easier to sort, filter, and track changes over time. That's it for this walkthrough. Thanks for watching.